What is up? I am so happy to be back on my YouTube channel. I know I ain't got 100,000 videos or a million subscribers or nothing like that, but I did take a little break from YouTube because, I just had a lot going on in my life. Still got a lot going on in my life, but I feel like I definitely want to just take this to the next level. So I'm back. Just want to make some more videos. Today's video is just something not too crazy. Very, very simple. Very, very, sorry, I keep looking at my mirror sometimes. Oh my God. But today I filmed for you guys. It's just a simple makeup, Jesus Christ. Cut. Guys, a simple finger wave tutorial. As you can see, I got my little waves in. It's nothing too extravagant. It's just my way of how I do my finger waves. And the products that you need for this tutorial is not really nothing that you can't get for the low, and it ain't really nothing too, like I said, extravagant. It's mousse and a combination of other things. Oh, and by the way, if y'all want me to do a makeup tutorial on this look that I did today, like this smoky eye kind of look, just let me know. Just let me know. If I get enough people that say they want to see it, then I definitely will film it. I know the steps that I did and everything, so I wouldn't mind doing this for you again on camera this time. Let's go. So some of the products you're going to need for this hairstyle will include a bottle of water, of course, to kind of spritz my hair. I'm going to be using a fine tooth comb as well. You can use a regular rat tail comb, a Denman brush, or just a regular brush to kind of brush your hair if it's a little wild. And then I got some mousse. And y'all, this mousse is from the beauty supply store. It's nothing really special. And then I have another mousse from L'Oreal. And I just had two because I was low on one, so I used both. The goal of finger waves is to get the hair as smooth as possible. So you see me just wetting my hair right now and brushing it down so that it's not as poofy and just messy. The mousse I got was like $5 and it has a high impact shine to it. And again, like I said, I got this mousse from the beauty supply. It's just a regular one that I use for my hair, and it's thick enough to coat the whole head. Oh guys, and there's no such thing as using too much mousse, at least for me. Use as much as you think you may need for your hair. Every hair type is different. I know the bleach definitely loosened my curl pattern, so my hair is more on the straighter side. Now I'm just sliding the comb down, literally straight down my hair, and it's giving me like a kind of like a swoop shape. And then with finger waves, you definitely have to play with it and have patience because you're literally shaping them with your fingers. So as you see, I place my finger after the line I just created and then just swoop up. So basically you're going back and forth like you're making an S or a C. And you can make them as wide as you want to or make them as close together as you want to. The goal is to just go back and forth, opposite sides, so that you create a finger wave type of motion in your head. Also, I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but notice how after every time I make a swoop, I smooth the hair down. It just makes it easier to work with because your hair is going to do whatever it wants to do like it always does. So your job is to just keep it as slick and straight as possible so that you know where you're going and how it actually looks. So I just comb it down and just smooth it with my hands to make sure that it is nice and flat. That helps me prep for the next swoop that I'm about to do.
Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show. Life is money, and you're just a hoe. Don't take it personal. I'm talking about me too. What else should we do? What else should we do? But I gotta admit, it feels so good. Like a sugar sweet kiss, skin soft and smooth. I'm talking about my knee. I'm talking about my knee. Everybody's driving all the way to nowhere. No time left, we're dying. And then they might care. Don't take it personal. I'm talking about me too. What else should we do? What else should we do? But I gotta admit, it feels so good. Like a sugar sweet kiss.
So as you guys can see, the sides of my head is significantly shorter than the top of my head. So I literally don't even have to use no finger action. I just take the comb and slide it back and forth, creating the waves on the side.
Tryna get to the show, you know you like it too. Life is money, and I like it too. And you're just a hoe. Don't take it personal. I'm talking about me too. What else should we do? What else should we do? But I gotta admit, it feels so good.
As you see me now, I'm just going over little spots that I may have not defined as well or may have not swooped as well. So I'm just going through and just defining those with more mousse in my little comb to make sure that they just lay very nicely.
I'm talking about my knee. Everybody's driving all the way to nowhere. No time left, we're dying. And then they might care. Don't take it personal. I'm talking about me.
Now I'm taking my Got To Be Glued gel and just spraying my hair to set it. That way it'll last me throughout the whole day.
What else should we do? Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show. Life is money, and you're just a hoe. Don't take it personal. I'm talking about me too.